Namaste students. Today I am going to discuss about the topic microbiology for the vinegar production using fermentation process. What is vinegar? Vinegar is a fermented food. Means it has two steps. First, in the first step, the alcohol is produced, and in the second step, from the alcohol, acetic acid is produced. So there are two types of bacteria which are involved. In the first, the alcohol fermenting bacteria and acetic acid bacteria. That is the acetobacteria. So vinegar is a product in which conversion of alcohol is carried out into the acetic acid. And when alcoholic fermentation occurs and later during acidification, many other compounds are produced. Reactions are also occur between these fermentation products. Ethyl acetate, for example, is formed from the reaction between acetic acid and ethanol. So ethyl acetate also react is also produced in this reaction. It is uh, these other compounds give the various vinegar their organoleptic properties. And due to the presence of these byproducts, we call the vinegar of different types. We name them as a different types of vinegars. And these compounds include the non-volatile organic acids such as malic, citric, succinic acid, lactic acids, unfermented and fermentable sugars, oxidized alcohol, acetaldehyde, acetone, phosphate, chloride, and other ions. And vinegar is not only a fermented food for the utilization, but also it has some medicinal purposes from the ancient times. So from the ancient times, it is used in the food condiment, treatments of wounds. It is widely used for the treatment of different kinds of illness such as pains, ringworms, burns, lameness. It is used as the cleansing agent and also as a cosmetic aid. In the modern time, vinegar is being used in the food condiment for pickling purposes, for the preservation of food, meat, vegetables, and it is used in the manufacture of sauces, salads, dressings, mycin, tomatoes. So these are the most important uses. In the recent time, vinegar is being used for the food preservation, food sterilization, because it is corona time, and in this corona time, vegetables are being washed in the vinegar. So by using of vinegar, we can remove the microorganism also from the surface of the vegetables. Different kinds of vinegar uh, have been identified, such as cider vinegar, apple vinegar, wine vinegar, malt vinegar, sugar, glucose, dried fruit vinegar, spirit vinegar, and the organisms which are involved in the fermentation process are alcohol fermenting bacteria and acetic acid forming bacteria. And The in the process of the vinegar, there is a specific film of vinegar that is the master film, and we call this film as a substrate, and this film is known as the mother of the vinegar. That is the mother of the vinegar. The bacteria was first described as the mycoderma in the ancient times, and later it was identified as Mycobacterium acidium. Acetobacter xylem, which is used for the production of slime, is also used. Recently, a new species of Acetobacter europaeus was also described for the production of vinegar. Its distinguishing features are its strong tolerance to acetic acid of approximately 4 to 8% in agar, and absolutely it has requirement of acetic acid for growth. What are the strains of acetic acid bacteria to be used for the industrial purposes? So they must have the ability to tolerate high concentration of acetic acid. They require small amount of nutrients. They are non-overt oxidized, and they are high yielding. Means they are producing more and more acetic acid in the reactions fermentation process. So this is the fermentation process. In this, ethyl alcohol is first converted into the acetaldehyde by the bacteria which are involved in the fermentation. Alcohol fermenting bacteria are involved in this step. But after acetaldehyde, this acetaldehyde is hydrolyzed into hydrated acetaldehyde. This hydrated acetaldehyde is again oxidized for the production of acetic acid in the presence of aldehyde, and this process is conducted by using of some acetic acid bacteria, acetobacter, that are the acetobacter. The manufacturing of vinegar is conducted in three steps. The first one is Orleans method. That is the one of the most old method or slow method. The next is the thickening method, which is the quick method, and the next last is submerged fermentation process. So these are the methods by which we can produce the vinegar. So our lecture is over here. Thank you very much.